Hey guys, I just got this colourpop package in. I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I bought. There we go. Oh wow, it's a lot of bubble wrap. This came in, it says light up my world. It's pretty, it's purple. I got the Over Traumatic BFF Cream Gel Liner Bundle. Hold on, the colors that I got in the bundle are purple. I think I got enough purple. Oh, these are nice. I got this, it's like, okay, the purple's name is shade Piggy Bank. I got this blue periwinkle one. It's called Prance. I got this green one. I don't have any green. It's called Electric Daisy. Well, I kind of want to swatch that. I'm going to swatch that a little bit. That's the color of it right there. That's pretty. Then I got a yellow that's called, I think it's called Crossed. I don't know. It's kind of smudged. It's still really nice. I'm going to swatch this one too. Oh wow, these are really nice. See the yellow one? That's really nice. Very, very pigmented. And I got this orangey peachy one. It's called Puppy. And then I also got a lippy stick. I ordered all this stuff with Christmas money I got for the Christmas. It's in the shade Cherry Bomb. It's a matte shade. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. I'm just dinging it up. There I am. I also got a pressed powder bronzer from the Coconut collection. One of the girls that I follow, I can't exactly remember which girl, she said this is a really nice shade. It was really light and warm. It was really pretty. I'm opening the package now. It's Coconut Beach Pressed Powder Bronzer. This is the front of it. This is the shade. Oh, they don't send their products. Sometimes I like to sell the products in case they sent them. Like, they give a scent to them. The other things that I got I didn't get my Super Shock Shadow. I don't know, maybe I didn't apply it right. Whatever. I also got the Blue Blood palette. I've really been wanting this one. The only one that, oh, there's like a couple more I want to get, but there it is. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at them. I really like this purple right here, and I love this starry eye. I'm gonna do a swatch. I don't know if you can see that, that's right there. There it is on my finger, it's pretty. And I'm gonna do starry eye. Oh, you can definitely see that one. See that blue right there? That's pretty. Yeah. I don't know why I do that. It's why they explain my head. It's weird. And the last two items that I got were I got the Fourth Ray Diet Vitamin C Elixir for radiant glowy skin. It's shaken, not stirred, part serum, part oil. This formula offers a 2-in-1 blend for moisturized, healthy skin. It's the vitamin C one. It glows, brightens, and illuminates your skin. I'm gonna open it, see how it looks. Ooh, wow. Look at that, that's pretty. That's cool. It's not pretty, but it's cool. Put some of it on my hand. Oh, it smells just like oranges. Oh wow, look at that glow. I don't know if you can see that, but that's like really glowy. It smells really nice. It does. And the last thing I got was the watermelon face, the Fourth Ray Beauty watermelon face milk serum thing. It balances and moisturizes your skin. I've been dying to try these. Let me shake it. Watermelon seed oil, known to help restore moisture, also balances your skin. Bamboo milk is known to hydrate and condition your skin. And cucumber water supports healthy, hydrated skin. It also has aloe in it, which helps replenish, hydrate, and soften skin. Wow. I'm gonna put this on my other hand. There it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, it smells exactly like watermelon. Look at that glow. That smells so good. Alright, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in a few days. Alright, bye.